it's your girl Era, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing slash Amazon haul, and I've been gone for like a couple weeks, been going through a lot of stuff, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I haven't been on YouTube for like a couple weeks because I've been like very depressed and stuff like that. So this is like my first video back. So this is a haul of what I bought off Amazon. This is the first box. If I can open it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna see is this waist trainer I got, and I'm starting my weight loss journey soon, so yeah, next month is gonna be lit. I thought it would be in a bigger bag than this, and it's all like squished in there. So this is what the waist trainer looks like. It's gray. It looks really tiny. Like, this looks really tiny. I don't think my belly is gonna fit underneath here, but we'll see how this works. And then for a special treat for you guys, because I will definitely be doing YouTube shorts, and I will be doing card review videos on food and everything, because right now I'm just traveling. I don't really have a job right now, so yeah, I got me a card thingy for me to do food reviews on. So let's go with that. You'll see me on my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at Era Williams. Yeah. So, and then lastly, the last thing I got off of Amazon. If I can open this. Is these weight loss supplements with apple cider vinegar, and I'll tell you all about these when I do my weight loss journey. But first, let's see what this waist trainer is looking like, because it looks like I won't be able to fit it. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. There's the little latches and stuff. It's a 4X, so hopefully it fits me. I'm gonna try it on. Look at my belly. Belly. So I think it's supposed to go underneath the belly. And I don't think this fits. I mean, it could fit. Let me see. I might need a bigger size. I don't know. I just picked the biggest one. Well, it does fit. It's just that I gotta, push everything in. Eeh. 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 I'm not even done yet. belly is big. Let me top the top ones first. Yeah, hold on. Okay guys, so this is what the waist trainer looks like. It folds back right here. I don't know if you can see right here. It's like folded back. Other than that, it fits my stomach comfortably. I can only go to the first batch. But yeah. Okay, you guys. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.